Font pairings are an easy way to enhance the look of any pin or quote, so here are 8 great combinations you can use. In PicMonkey, after you create a new text layer, navigate over to the right-hand side to the text palette. This is where you will find all of your fonts, either the ones that you've uploaded yourself or one of the hundreds that PicMonkey provides for you. Our first font pairing is Montserrat and Bodani XT. Pairing a serif with a sans serif provides contrast, especially when using them as display fonts. Our second font pairing is Antonio and Crystal Sky. This pairing uses a script to add emphasis on the fun part of the quote. Scripts are a good way to show emphasis. Third, we have Nenita and EB Garamond Bold. This is the classic serif sans serif mashup, with an italic sans serif for emphasis on the phrase "no regrets." Fourth, we have Sebastian Bobby and Didanes. This one uses a script and serif to create contrast, allowing your eye to easily travel from one phrase to the next. Fifth, we have Comforta and Comforta Light. This fail-proof pairing is using different font weights within the same typeface. Simple, but effective. Sixth, we have Amara, Script, Alt, and Lato. Like in example 2, this uses script for emphasis on the word travel and sans serif for the bulk of the quote. Seventh, we have Railway and Railway Bold. Similar to example 5, this quote uses different font weights from the same typeface for a cohesive and simple look. And coming in at number 8 is Roboto and Burdenthorn. If you're seeing a pattern here, you're right. We again used a sans serif with a script. Once you understand these basics, you can switch out different fonts for different looks. We hope that these 8 font pairings gave you some inspiration for your next Pinterest quote. So don't forget to use #PicMonkey and share your creation, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.